The agricultural drone is used to spray pesticide, liquid fertilizer, and herbicide and is equipped with a tank that has 10-liter capacity. The field capacity of drone-assisted spraying is much higher than that of manual spraying, especially in difficult terrains, while also reducing the health risk of the farmers. The multispectral camera agricultural drone is utilized for monitoring crop and soil health. Its remote sensing imaging technology captures both visible and invisible images of crops and vegetation to see areas of stress. The drone's versatile and effective sensors record data at an exceptional spatial resolution. This makes the multispectral camera agricultural drone highly effective in managing crops, soil, fertilizing and irrigation while saving pesticide usage, time and cost.